Welcome to Walnut Cottage. We're on the east side of Taunton in an incredibly private location, tucked away and yet under 3 miles into the town centre. This is a wonderfully quirky home that has the best of all worlds, but let's go and have a look. One of the things I love about this property, because I'm a bit of a car man myself and motorbikes, is the garaging facility. So double garage workshop plus a carport for another car, plenty of parking, delightful. What works really well in this property is the fact you've got this great combination of the period character, beautiful fireplace, but the ceiling height is right. And there's a choice of rooms as well. We've got bedroom 5 or an additional reception room just off this room, which gives you the flexibility, multi-generational, however you want to use it. Do you know, I can't think of many better places to sit in the sun on a beautiful day, drinking my cider. This property's surrounded by its gardens and there's pockets of little private areas to enjoy. But what you have to do is come and see it. That's the best thing. So give us a call, 01823 423 500, and we'll be delighted to show you around. Cheers.